Hello everyone, welcome back. This was our first project. So basically what we will do here is that so this guy Alexander Siorin has created a first order model. So what it do is that it morphs a video, like a GIF file or a video, into an image of it. So today we will using his model, and we will be providing our own input. Like you can provide your own face and some other video of a celebrity, and your face will move like that. Or like you can provide your video and provide another celebrity's face, and his face will be moving like that. Okay, so in order to run this, so first we have to mount our Google Drive with our Google Colab. So clicking on it, running it, so it will take like for a second, 1 or 2 seconds, and it will be mounted over it. And sometimes it like what it do, like it ask you like some key or password. So yeah, like this authorization code. So click on it, click on new tab, sign in, allow all these things, and copy it. This code is important. like suppose you are running a Google Colab somewhere else, how it will know like that key to use your own Google Drive. So provide this, like, yeah. So after that it will be mounted to your own Google Drive. So in your own Google Drive, if you open it, there is a Google Colab folder. If you double click on it, you can store everything there. So what we will do is that we will clone this model. So Alexander Siron created a model, so we will clone this repository over a Google clone. So cloning will take some time, like a minimalistic time. Like it will not take more than 2 minutes, or like, yeah, in 1 minute it clones. Okay, so going into that directory, and so yeah, these all are the things we will use, like in order to, like, yeah. So this is our image one, this is our image two, morph our image one to image two. So like as we can see, like this is a mp4 file and this is a png file. So let me go over the drive and see, like this is our photo and this is our video, like a small 2-3 second video. Yeah. So like whatever he is speaking, like his face is moving up and down. So we will morph this video over this image, so such that she will be moving her face just like Donald Trump. Okay, so yeah, moving over that folder that we have downloaded. Wait, let's just clone it again. Yeah, like it moved to that folder. And so basically what this here thing is doing, like we are providing a source image, we are providing a reader file, like in which source image we will provide. So now what we will do, like I will provide you data, model data. So what you will do, you have to download that tar file and save it over here, like in collab, like this thing, like you have to save this over here. So what it will do, like in machine learning, what happens is that we create some models, and in order for everyone to not work again and again, you save it in a file such that they can use it at their own code. Like if they make an API out of it, they call it, they predict, use your model and predict whatever you have created according to their own practice. So yes, I have redid it. So like, yeah, like this is just for HTML display. This all function are used so that we in order for a brief demonstration, they are put side by side. So as we can see, like here Donald Trump is moving, but not this. So now we will load that file that I have downloaded, and what we will do, like we morph it. Okay, so running this. So basically what we are doing is that we are basically providing a path of that tar file like here, and we are making it run for some time, and using checkpoints, like if it gets trained, or it in order to load, it will go through some uh, checkpoints. Okay, so yeah, it is loaded. So after that, for prediction, we are using a simple make animation function in a demo library. So running it, and it will take some time in order to load, and this image.io is used in order to save both of them as output, and we are displaying it in the Google Colab, as we can see, like we are using a web-based interface, so this will show over here. Okay, so yeah, after that, as you can see, after that loading a model and morphing that face, we can see that Mona Lisa is also moving her head like that, and speaking in terms of Donald Trump. So yeah, that was it for the second tutorial, and I will be moving to the third tutorial from in the further video, where we will learn about stock price prediction. And I will download this, like if we go file and download as a notebook, I will be providing you all these links to you, so that you can also read it, share it, and make edit out of it, and you can make something good out of it. So that's the motive of learning machine learning. So yeah, thank you.